Hey ROQ family, I'm Richard Tilley with ROQ US, and I'm here with another weekly tech tip. This time I'll be training you on trapping a left chest with just 2 lasers. That way you always know where the left chest is gonna land, whether you're printing a tank top, a t-shirt, or even a racer back. Let's go. Now with my lasers on, you'll see I have 2 horizontal lines. But what I do is I use the dots that come with the lasers and I count those as my vertical lines. So I act as if there's a line going down and a line going up. That way I have my image boxed in, and whether I'm doing a V-neck, a racer back, a tank top, it doesn't matter. I know exactly where my image is going to land at all times. And that's my trick with 2 lasers to box in your image. And now you know one of my tricks that I use with my lasers. For more helpful tips like this, visit us at ROQ.us, and thank you for being our partner in print.